What's up? I'm Zach Olshafer, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to take apart an Xbox One controller. For this, all you'll need is a screwdriver. You'll need a T9H bit, which is a torque security screw, and you'll need a T6 bit. And then either one of these like plastic like tools or a plastic like wedge. And then you could also, this is optional, you could use a flathead screwdriver, and then you'll just need a soldering iron. So you don't need much for this, but let's get into taking this apart. Okay, so the first step that we have to do is we gotta take off these back pieces here. And usually the way I do it, sometimes these are pretty difficult to get off. It's really random sometimes, but just pop it under there really quick, just without trying to break it. Sometimes it pops off really easily, other times it doesn't. Just gonna pop that under there. I don't like using metal on this too much. I'm gonna just go to this real quick because I don't want to risk breaking it, the metal, you know. At least if I'm using this and this breaks, that's fine, but I don't want to break the actual plastic on this. There's like little latches underneath each of these things here. Just gotta pop them. And like sometimes it just pops right back into place, which is annoying, but just gotta keep going till it's all off. And we'll put that in there. Then we'll pop this side off. And that just went flying off, but we got it off. And I'll do the same thing to this side. So we'll start off on this side a little differently, try to get it underneath here. Get that popped off. Go underneath all here. See what I was talking about? Some of these sides are going to be way easier to get off. And sometimes you could just like pop it right off, just pull it off, but you don't want to do that too hard. You don't want to break it. Okay, so we got those two off now. Okay, now we got to grab our T9H bit, which is not that one. This one right here. Then we got to take out all these screws. This screw under here, it's normally underneath the sticker. You just got to either break it under here, or you could heat this up a little bit and pull it off without damaging it. It's up to you. But this is just my friend's controller that I'm taking apart. He needs me to put a new joystick in it, but that'll be another video because I'm still waiting for that in the mail. We just got to get that screw out. There we go. This one, there we go. Third one. That's the fourth. And the final screw to get the case off of this. Get this out of here. There we go, number 5, okay? And now the front of this will just pop off like that. Then we could flip this over and pop the back of this right off. And then there is the motherboard. We got two, I forget what the names of these are, but gotta get these off. So what we're gonna do, gonna get our soldering iron now. Actually first, while my soldering iron heats up, I'm gonna switch the tips. We're gonna put the T6 bit in now. Now we're just gonna go and take out all these screws right here on the board. There's one, we'll keep those over there so they're separate. Don't wanna mix them up. Then we'll get this other screw here out. There we go. And then just pop off this wire right here, this black wire that's connected to this board. okay? Just move out these gray and black cables to the side so they're not in the way. Okay, so now the soldering iron's heated up. Just gonna pull this out and pull this one out. Start on this side. Just gotta get these wires off of here. So get the red off. Get this black one off here if it wants to come off. Just gonna add a little bit of flux paste to this. I don't know why it's not wanting to come off. I might have to add some solder to this. There we go. That's one of them off. Now let's do the same thing to the other side. Okay. Actually, let me just flip this around. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna add some solder paste or some flux paste. Do the same thing. Try to pull these both off. Got the red one off. There we go. And there we go. Got that one off now. So just gotta put the soldering iron back. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab the soldering iron again, because now we gotta get this piece off of this. We're just gonna disconnect these gray and black cables from here. Just gonna add some flux. There. Got the black wire, got the gray wire right there. Okay. Now we're gonna do, the thumbstick popped off, whatever. Just gonna pop some flux on this side now. There we go. Just angle it the right way. Just pop that on there, got the gray one off. There we go. Now that's off there. Put the soldering iron back now. Okay. The little headphone jack or whatever popped out. That's fine. Move this off to the side. Now, actually before I take that out, let me just pull off this thumb grip right there. See, this is the thumb grip that has a drift stick. This one's fine. Just this one also gets stuck. Okay. Now I can just pull this out. Go. And typically, so that's basically it for taking this apart. I mean, obviously these, the bumpers can come out too, but just for the sake of this video, I just want to show you guys mainly how to take this part out, because this is a key issue. The joysticks that usually need to be fixed, but obviously if you got to take these bumpers out, just take the screw out and pull these out. And obviously it's the same with this board. You're just gonna unscrew these and that's it. Okay, so we got the controller put back together now. Basically, all you have to do to put it back together is just backtrack the steps of how we took it apart. You can watch the video backwards if you need help doing it. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope this video was able to help you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and the like button. Stay tuned for more. Stay blessed.